Demand for nature. Nature, God's extraordinary work. No one will not be amazed at its beauty. Shady trees that create shade, accompanied by a melodious wind blowing downstream. While looking at the expanse of green grass, I sing along with the birds singing a song of longing. And I grew up with a blue sky, set foot under the shadow of the sun. Nature, a place for humans who don't know themselves. Have I lost my time by 3 seconds? Let me smile at the high waves of the angry sea. And let me still love you before everything dies.